So this week's hot new product comes courtesy of Rockford Fosgate. I have no idea what's in here, but I think it's more than one product judging by the size of this box. So I'm gonna start digging in and we'll get everything on the table. All right, so this very good looking set of equipment consists of one 12-inch punch series subwoofer. So this is competition ready audio, very high bass quality. Then there's two power series speakers and this super neat, super compact amplifier. It doesn't weigh a damn thing, which is pretty cool too. Altogether, this doesn't even weigh 5 pounds. You can tell it's dense enough to be packed with quality equipment. And it is a one channel, so it's a mono amplifier. And its rated power is either 250 at 4 ohms or 500 watts at 2 ohms. Included with the amplifier is an installation kit for your bass knob, so you can turn up bass just by itself without actually making adjustments on the amplifier. And let's dive into what these speakers and subwoofers are all about. The Rockford T1650 6.5 full range speakers are two-way components with internal crossovers and a 1-inch bridge mounted tweeter, which you can see on top of the speaker deck. And these can handle 75 watts RMS or 150 watts peak power. So one really neat thing about these speakers, in addition to the stylish grille that's included, is the improved OEM mounting options. So as you can see around the rim, there's a lot of selectable size and groove channels. So pretty much any OEM 6.5 speaker can be replaced by this with relative ease and without modifying your current speaker housings, which is really nice. They also don't weigh a ton, but they're clearly heavy duty. And that bridge mounted tweeter just looks really cool. So if you want the style points, you can run them without the grille for sure. So the 12-inch P3 subwoofer is Rockford's best performing punch series subwoofer and probably the most powerful. The power rating is a 600 watt RMS capable of a 1200 watt peak, and the mounting depth is 6.66 inches, so you're going to need a big enclosure to hold on to this thing. So some cool features about the P3 subwoofer: it features Rockford's VAST technology, which allows them to get 25% more surface area on the cone. Some more airflow. And much like the speakers here, around the ring is an impressive array of mounting options. So no matter what kind of enclosure you're working with, there's definitely a way to mount it securely. And then you can cover those holes for style points with this very sleek punch series hardware ring. Has the punch engraved into the top. Honestly, it looks pretty nice. What you're seeing here is the newest, latest and greatest stuff from Rockford Fosgate, and if you're looking to build a really high quality audio system, they should definitely be on your list to check out. So if you're going to be looking for products like these or other quality Rockford products, check out rockfordfosgate.com.